Well, these big sewer sections have pretty much taken over my yard. I bet my neighbor will be surprised when he sees these pictures. He's away on vacation. Okay, I'm putting the 8th one down on the grass now. So this is my new neighborhood. It's been a week since they laid down these pipes here. This is my street, 2nd Street. As for the neighbor's side of the grass, this is what it looks like now, today the 18th or 19th. So maybe 2 weeks from now, half of this grass on the side might be dug up. Over here, 3 of the 8 big pipes are missing. They're already been put in the ground. This is the extent of the work done and across the corner. Yeah, they cut away about 6 feet of the curb to be able to get down to the older pipes and to replace them. We can see where some new pipes were laid. Tuesday, July 24th. They've already removed 6 of the sections from near my house. They're going with the 7th one now. The work is getting closer to our alley here. They've come down the streets of about 30 feet. Taking another section somewhere. That's where it's going. About ready to dig out another piece of old storm sewer. Okay, that one is going to go into the ground. That one went right into the ground.